Apple so far has nothing in the books that compromises user privacy on Apple Maps. In case you're wondering who's in the lead between Apple Intelligence and Apple Maps web version, then be very clear that the iPhone maker has made Apple Maps available across platforms. This cross-platform accessibility suffices nicely to drive competition between Apple and Google. Although the latter has been reigning supreme in the mapping domain for over a decade now, Apple has struck its Apple Maps with a range of enhancements encompassing accuracy, feature richness, and UI appeal. Setting all apart is the inevitable, highly possible constellation of improvements inherent in this rivalry. If you're waiting to familiarize yourself with some insights into Apple Intelligence, then you must be mistaken about the title of this article. That is because this article solely aims to reflect on the astounding feasibility offered by Apple Maps, partly because the other service is tipped to be arriving later than it was supposed to. Coming to the point, another key area of battle between Apple Maps and Google Maps would be privacy. The point here to ponder is that the latter offers its service free of cost, but in exchange for getting hands on users' data to serve its target marketing purposes. On the other hand, Apple so far has nothing in the books that compromises user privacy on Apple Maps, as it seems to be more focused on sales of its top-tier devices. If nothing, this strategy will surely beckon those worried about privacy. Despite a kind gesture of a free-of-cost web version of Apple Maps, fingers are being pointed at the business model Apple has employed. What validates this curiosity is Apple's conventional manner of propelling sales by making the most of its ecosystem. Given that, serving Apple Maps on rival platforms' plates will at least discourage smartphone consumers from buying costly Apple devices, but the only possibility of the firm rolling its last dice is that it might have made the web version less feature-rich than the version installed on Apple devices.